Good evening, everyone. Let's see, it's been raining here, downpour, raining heavily, and I'm right now stuck into this situation. I need to get out of this situation, so I had been waiting for the light raining. Right now, I am thinking to go out. You can see the, you can hear the sound of honking. So I should go right now. So let's see. Should I go? Yes, because it's been raining lightly right now. I would like to say that indoors drainage system is very drastic. It's not good that we expect we expect from the city like Indore. It's not good. It's even worse. So finally survived. Right now I'm with my nephew, so I'm gonna show him, and let's see. He's with me right now. Can you see? Hmm. Can you say hi, namaste to everyone?
Namaste.
Namaste. Say something. He's
Hi,
smiling.
Kedi.
He's smiling. He's smiling.
Hi.
He's smiling right now. He's my brother, right? Right now, hello everyone. Right now, I'm with my nephew, and I'm going to show him right now. Let's see. Say. Say hi to everyone. Namaste. Can you see? He's smiling right now. He's good at smiling.
नमस्ते क्यों भैया
नमस्ते।
क्यों ऐसे करो
Radhe Radhe.
नमस्ते
Can you pronounce
राधे
God name?
राधे जय श्री राम
He's
ऐसे
looking
करते
seriously.
भैया जय श्री राम करो जय श्री राम
हाँ करो 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 जय
करो।
श्री राम करो
जय श्री राम
अभय मुद्रा So I am with my brother right now and sister, and we are the siblings. I have two siblings, so that's what. Thank you for watching this video. नमस्ते सभी को। और मैं अभी अपने गृह निवास आया था, और जहाँ पर मैं अपने छत पर था और यहीं विचरण कर रहा था, अपने जो पौधे हैं उनका अवलोकन कर रहा था। और मैंने देखा कि जो वातावरण है इनके लिए बहुत अनुकूल है। वर्षा पावक ऋतु का मौसम है, और इस मौसम में बहुत ही अधिक मात्रा में जो ज़मीन रहती है, जो भूमि रहती है, उनका जो पंख जानते हैं आप, कीचड़, श्री हरिचंदन बन जाता है। पूरी जितनी भी डिसेमिनेटेड कंटेमिनेटेड वाटर्स रहता है उनका पुनः पॉल्यूशन फ्री प्रक्रिया, प्रदूषण मुक्त प्रक्रिया प्रारंभ हो जाती है, और बहुत अच्छा नेचर एक क्रिएट सर्जित होता है। तो बस इसी सभी के बीच मैंने सोचा ये रिकॉर्ड किया जाए वीडियो। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। नमस्ते सभी को। और मैं अभी अपने गृह निवास गढ़ाकोटा आया था, जहाँ पर मैं अपनी छत पर था, और आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर जो मेरे पौधे हैं, यहाँ पर जो पौधे लगे हुए हैं, ठीक है, इनका भी मैंने अवलोकन किया। और अवलोकन के उपरांत मुझे इनकी आवश्यकता पता चली, आवश्यकता का ज्ञात हुआ मुझे कि इनको जल की आवश्यकता है, और ये डेफिनेटली वर्षा का मौसम है, तो वातावरण भी इनके लिए अनुकूल होने वाला है, और कई दिनों के उपरांत इनको बहुत अच्छा जल संग्रहण मिलेगा, और वर्षा जल संग्रहण के आधार पर इनकी वृद्धि भी निर्धारित होगी, और हम भी इनकी वृद्धि विकास में और एक हरित वातावरण में कुछ भूमिका, कुछ पार्टिसिपेशन कर पाएँ, ये हमारे लिए श्रेयस्कर सिद्ध होगा। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो क्लोजली। Hello everyone, I'm right now at my home today, and I was on a rooftop right now. So I was looking at my plants, and what I observed to see the plants. I observed that they require water, and the weather is not adverse right now to them. They need just water. Planties. Hello everyone, right now I'm at the home, and I was on my rooftop, so I was looking at the plants, and I observed something when I looked at them. I observed that they required some water, and the weather is going to be on optimization mode. Optimization mode. Namaste everyone. Good evening. Namaste everyone. Good evening. Right now I'm at my home, and I'm gonna show you something. What did I observe is these plants. These plants needs water, and the weather is favorable for them. Namaste everyone, good evening. Right now I'm at my home, and I was on my roof, so I was looking at these plants. What I figured it out is that the weather is going to favorable for them, because the rainy season when they are going to grow is just a time when they require most of the water. So I'm happy about them, and you can see the cloud. So this cloud is just dynamic. And I'm with my sister and brother right now. You can see he's there. Can you want to say something? If you can.
Hello everyone, how are you?
He's saying how are you? How are you all? That's what he wanted to ask. He's so kind right now. He's so kind. So that's what I need to record it, and I'm happy. Is my nephew there? He's playing. He's good at smiling. He's good at clapping. The city which you've been witnessing is my city right now. So you can see this is 42 kilometer far from Sagar district. And the city you've been witnessing is mine, and this is river. We are on a bridge right now. The river is quite dry. And alright. कट्टा हो गया यार वीडियो. The city you've been witnessing is mine. It's Garakota, and our district is 42 kilometers far from here. And this is amazing feeling of evening. Right now you can see we are basically 42 kilometers far from our district. Right there. This is a divider, you can see. And there is a board of places. Like in what is 4 kilometers. 110 kilometers. The city you've been witnessing is mine. It's Garakota, and we are quite 42 kilometers far from our district. It's Sagar, our district name. And this has been a beautiful road and a beautiful evening we've been seeing. You can see the people, the place, the road, the peace. It's just incredible, beyond words. Namaste everyone, and I'm on a bike right now. Namaste everyone, I am on a ride. Namaste everyone, I am on a bike right now, and I'm just sitting behind my younger brother. He has a helmet, and he's riding a bike. He's riding a bike. Hello everyone, namaste, good evening. Hello everyone, namaste, good evening. I'm on a bike right now, and I'm just sitting behind my brother, and he's my younger brother. He's just taking me to the Sagar district from Garakota, and we had precautionary of raining, so we have worn raincoat, and he has a helmet, and this is beautiful evening right now, and we've been witnessing it. So it's been good, and I thought to record this message to send you. Say hi. Namaste. Enjoy. Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm on a bike right now and sitting behind my brother. And what I was going to tell is that it's a good and fantastic evening which we are witnessing right now. We have some precautions about raining, so we have already warned rain god, and he has helmet on and he's riding. So I thought to record this message to send you. Say hi. Namaste. Enjoy your day. The way you have watched is leading to the Abchand cave, the historical caves there, and the caves are from the pre-stone era. I'm not sure, but it's oldest, one of the oldest caves. Mesolithic. These caves from the Mesolithic period, and next time I will be going there. I'll be discussing more about it. Hello friends, I'm at the computer shop where he is getting his computer. What's the problem inside your computer?
SSD problem.
He has a SSD problem in his laptop,
Hello.
not in computer, so he's going to refix from here, and we've been here since
Namkeen.
1 hour, so it's taking some time, but it will be
बनाई घर
totally
से नहीं आई, इतना
perfect,
बनाई नहीं थी, तो
and
मैंने यही भिजवा
we will have a
दिया,
good
इतना मेरे
result, and
तुम्हारे लिए
I
भेजा
hope
था।
we will not able to come back to the shop again. So guys, we are at the Sip Sagar restaurant right now, and we are going to eat something. He's my friend with me. He's smiling right now. Say hi to everyone. Say hi to everyone. So I'm gonna eat something. Let me gonna show you. Okay. So this is what we are going to eat from Sip Sagar. This is, and there is match being played. Anderson last match, and now this is food. Delicious. It's been delicious.
Hello guys, we just came to drink a tea. After that we come outside. We look that there is a rain is going on. We are going for something important work, but we stick there. We are unable to go outside due to heavy rain. Look like it is very heavy rain. This is Devesh.
Yes, hi everyone, and I'm feeling good with him.
We just gave money to library and we reserve our seat in Vivekan library. It is just beside us. And
we are happy to join the library, and we were looking to the greatest picture of our India's victory, Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, along with Rohit Sharma. So
as well as we will also think about to put a picture of Premanand ji. He is great.
Where?
He is a great. Yeah. Okay, guys, see you soon. Okay. So guys, rain is stopped now. So we are going outside of the building. We just put off a bike there. So we are looking for any photocopy shop to get a picture that we will put on library seat. After that we will ready to start study. And Devesh is beside me. He is also very glad to join a library because this library is best for both of us. But it does not mean that we just came to time pass. We will give our best to achieve success as soon as possible. So now we are going to home. After that Devesh will go to anywhere to eat something. But I just want to sit with myself. I want to understand me because since long I did not talk to myself. I just wasted my time on holy world, but from today I was thinking to think about myself.
look at there, what I'm gonna show you is this beautiful evening of Indore city. It's been fantastic, and you can see it's a lovely evening, I would say that. Apart from this, I think this street Prime Minister or Home Minister Amit Shah will be coming here. So this street is being decorated. That's my message for today. What I am going to show you is that the beautiful evening. What I am going to record is that the beautiful evening of the cleanest city of India. This is so lovely. And I can see there is a Prime Minister picture over there. So he or Amit Shah, Home Minister of India, will be arriving here shortly. So be a witness of the beautiful city. Good evening, everyone. Be a witness. Good evening, everyone. Be a witness of the beautiful city of India, and in fact, cleanest city of India. Let's see. There is Ibis going on, and there is a Prime Minister picture over here. Can you see? I think he or country's Home Minister will be arriving here shortly. So let's see. I'm not going to wait for them. So you can see right now it's been raining heavily outside my library region. So you can see it's been raining here heavily. Downpour. So it's been raining here